Me, man.
Who hollered than me?
I got this shit applies though, Rich. I ain't gonna start. I just like that applies shit. Who hollered
than me? Who hollered than me? I know what you're talking about, brother. I'm like, yeah.
On that street, the motherfucking thigh was bladed up every time he stepped. Who hollered at me? I just took it to him like, man, who hollered at fucking me, man? I'm hot, man.
That's cool right there.
I'm hot.
Yeah, nigga, we some big dogs in this business.
Yeah.
And I ain't going
Oh, we some big dogs. We some big dogs. We some big dogs. We some big dogs. Hey, we some big dogs. Hey, big dogs.
You know I do it off this beat, man. Who colder than me? Man, I tell a nigga, hold up, what's the recipe? Mix me and my clique and my damn dividends. Watch I come up with a whole bunch of damn ends. Me, I'm the hottest, see, me, I'm the coldest. I can change damn style right before your ass know this. I'm not just one way, bitch, I am like Touche. Bitch, I am like a toupee. You'll be getting knocked off right today. Hey. I'm freestyling so you know I'm off the head. Can't write it down, can't repeat what I just said. Who harder than me? Nobody. And if they damn is, I got them on my team. Throwing karate. Who harder than me, man? I don't give a fuck about none of that. Did you hear me, Kim?
Yeah.
Did you hear me?
Yeah.
You hear me,
You
Jim?
in now?
If you is harder than me,
Get on the track.
I got you on my team.
Alright.
I got you on my team. Nigga, already close. That a nigga still flowing, and I'm steady rolling blunt, cause a nigga still smoking. I'ma do what I do, when I do what I do it when I want, and you bitch niggas do it, you can't do it, cause I'm a thug ass nigga, and I hustle real harder. Everything I lose to, I bounce back real smarter. I'm a vet in the game, I dance on the water and don't get wet. I don't give a fuck about the shit you talking, I hear that nigga ass over that text. Where the God ain't playing, and I put that shit on my son. I ain't lying, 11 years old, but I snatched my first gun. I'ma do what I do, cause I speak up the truth. Fuck the shit you heard about, you heard it from the booth. Yeah. You see, that's how we rockin', niggas know we steady cockin', I ain't be poppin', we don't give a fuck, you know your body's dropping. It ain't dropped yet, but keep playing, and here in that way, don't give a fuck what they be talking, cause I know niggas that keep that case. I got some niggas that'll kill for me, dog, when they ain't even my blood. I do what I wanna do, I show love when I step in the club, and they show love back when I fucking step off in the club. You know your bitch fall in love when I get her back rub. I mean that ass a handful of it, and I keep that wet. Don't give a fuck what you talking, man. No disrespect.
No disrespect, bitch. Check your neck. You see them hickeys on that shit, bitch. I didn't do that because I ain't kissing on about not nan ho. I'm just gonna have to spit my flow. Take your shit from the dough. And I'm so ignorant, I get belligerent. Cause I stay with a cup and I stay smoking shit. And excuse me, fellas, but you are conversating. And tell you right now, I don't mean to be hating, but I'm trying to spit just like you guys did, so just listen up. I got a lot of real shit that I really want to spit. Let me tell you something, I got so much of frustration, my niggas push my button, but damn, these my niggas, man, I love these niggas to death, but man, you fuck with them, that is your last breath, and I am just a chef, and you call the ref, because I be cheating, hell no, nigga, step. It's what I do have, nigga, call it straight stamina. With so much shit, nigga, got it like hammer, yeah.
Hammer, yeah.